Alright guys, engine room time. Down here on the aft deck. Got the Escapist name here. It's beautiful at night, all backlit. I'm gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. It's a heavy old door. Open it up. Alright, we'll step down in. Meticulously clean. Oh, there's bird in it. Bird is everywhere.
I left my drink down here.
He lives all over the boat. There's an exhaust right there. Coming through. And this is a shore power motor. This is what converts all the energy from shore power. And Jay just locked us in, so I hope I can get out. Coming down to Jay's main little workstation here. And as you will notice on each side, we have two V12 2,000 horsepower motors. Dual exhaust coming out into one outside. How nice and shiny that stainless steel is. So I'm going to show you a few things here. Air filters. Each engine has two. AC is set to 80 degrees in here at all times, so it keeps the engines nice and cool. But these air filters, just to show you how big they are, yeah, they're massive. I mean, you're talking 15 inches long. I mean, probably 15 inches around. Two on each engine. And you got fuel filters over here. Two fuel filters per engine. Oil filters. Two per engine. And once again, you're talking foot long, probably 6 inches in radius on both engines. Nice, super gleamy exhaust everywhere, and just so much stuff down there. It's truly amazing size. I mean, I'm standing up, obviously. 6'3", plenty of head clearance. The other engine, exact same. It's unbelievable. Just air exhaust, just for keep this thing cool. These things are top of the line, everything. It's unbelievable. It's beautiful. Water heater for the boat. There's another water heater over there for the boat. Hope I'm not making you sick. But this guy right here is the ladder for the aft deck, which we'll be going out of here in a second. Jay just had to realign this door, as you can see by the shims, because the ex-captain 4 years ago, when he had it installed, was completely incorrect. So you gotta, oh God, I'm locked in. Go out. Now it moves smooth. Back out to the aft deck. Terrible life, as you can imagine. We did just refinish their stand-up paddle boards, me and Jay. They were white with fiberglass. Me and Jay just resurfaced them, as you guys saw in the picture, earning our free stay. And that's it, guys. Once again, love you and miss you. See you soon.